Hi guys, welcome to the brand new video of Mindful Pratibha and wishing you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So this is a special Christmas video which I'm making, and this particular video is particularly for all the 20s and the advices which I would want to give as a 30-year-old woman, right? So yeah, let's get started. So first and foremost thing is that since I have crossed my 30s, there are certain things which I learned, and definitely मैं उन लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी जो अपनी 20s में हैं. What are the best advice I could give them? So in this particular video मैं छोटे छोटे tips आपको देने वाली हूँ which I feel that it will help in your day-to-day life, right? So first and foremost thing is that you should start exploring your passion. मुझे याद है जब हम लोग अपनी 12th स्टैंडर्ड में थे, और जब हम कॉलेज अपना व्हेन वी वर स्टडिंग इन आवर कॉलेज, हमारे पास ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस हमें पता नहीं थे, राइट? वी जस्ट न्यू कि हमें डॉक्टर बन सकते हो, इंजीनियर बन सकते हो या सीए बन सकते हो. बट नाउ आई फील दैट देर आर लॉट ऑफ करियर ऑप्शंस विच यू कैन एक्सप्लोर, डू सम मोर रिसर्च ऑनलाइन, एंड आजकल कंटेंट क्रिएशन में बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है. सो डेफिनेटली आई वुड जस्ट एडवाइज दैट इवन इफ you don't score very good marks, it doesn't matter actually, because I have seen certain people who are so talented, and they certainly they are very quick in grasping the skills, and they learn all through this from YouTube, right? So definitely I feel that explore. There are a lot of options through which you can make money. It is just that you need to give time to yourself, and just don't compare with yourself with others, because आपका पैशन दूसरों से अलग भी हो सकता है. सो ये मेरी बेस्ट एडवाइस यही रहेगी. सेकेंडली आई वुड से दैट यू शुड ऑल्सो लर्न हाउ टू से नो, राइट? बचपन से हमारी ऐसी कंडीशनिंग करी जाती है दैट अगर आप ना बोल रहे हो किसी को तो यू आर बीइंग डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल, या ना बोलना गलत है. But certainly I feel that if you are not saying no to anything, that means that you're not setting boundaries for yourself, and other person will also know when to stop, right? So आपको ना अगर बोलना है तो you don't have to be rude, but you can say no to certain things which you're it's not good for your physical or mental health. So if you're saying no, that means that you love yourself and you care for yourself, and it is very important that other person also respect that okay, you are saying no. Thirdly, which I would like to recommend to all the 20s out there, is that you should believe in yourself. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम जो फेलियर्स फेस करते हैं अपनी यंग एज में, तब वी फील दैट इट्स एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, कि इसके आगे कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. But then I would say that the quality of resilience builds up when you try, no matter how much you have fallen down, right? So it is very important that you believe in yourself when others also don't believe in you. So ये एक important quality है self belief की. एंड जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोग हैं, जब उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी शुरू करी थी, nobody around them believed in what they could achieve, right? So definitely I would say that if you're trying to explore something, have that belief in yourself, and you would be able to do it. Next advice which I would like to give is that you should start saving as soon as you get your first job. So हमारी फर्स्ट जॉब में यूजुअली हमारी ऑब्वियसली इतनी सैलरी होती नहीं है, एंड इतनी स्पेंडिंग हो जाती है, वी डोंट ट्रैक how much we are spending. But it is certainly important that you start investing your money, you start studying about all type of stocks or type of mutual funds as soon as you get your first job, because the sooner you start your investment, the earlier you will be able to retire, right? So it is definitely important. And आजकल यूट्यूब पे आपको बहुत सारा कंटेंट मिल सकता है in order to study about stocks, tax saving and everything, right? So it is not about that कि आपने पैसे सेव करे तो आपकी मतलब मनी वाइज ग्रोथ होएगी. इट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू लर्न हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट स्मार्टली, बिकॉज सेविंग करने से आप यू कैनॉट become a millionaire definitely. So yeah, I would definitely suggest that you should start researching about financial management. Last but not the least would be that हमारी जब 20s में होते हैं हमें लगता है कि success is about achievements, bigger achievements, having a big car, having a big house, and we feel that we will be happy once we achieve that. but once you get that, that gives only temporary happiness to you, right? Because we always want to strive for more. So definitely मतलब मेरी success की definition with with age हमेशा change हो गई है, and now I feel is success is something which you become while you are achieving your goals. It is not only about achieving something and then you become successful. सबकी सक्सेसफुलनेस की डेफिनेशन सबकी अलग हो सकती है, एंड आई थिंक सक्सेस इज ऑल अबाउट मेकिंग प्रोग्रेस टूवर्ड्स what you want to become in your future. So this is definitely important that you realize and you note down what exactly does success mean to you and what exactly do you want. So yeah, these are the tips which I wanted to share with younger people out there. Let me know how did you find this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and you guys can also suggest me some video content which you want to see, and I will definitely make a video on it. Bye bye.